Hey fam, welcome to my channel. I am Darika. If you're new here, please by all means get comfortable, kick off your shoes and relax your feet. Look around at the content that I create. If you find that you like it and you want more, please like and subscribe. And for my returning subscribers, I want to thank you for coming on back. Remember, as always, you all are always welcome in this house. Stay tuned because in today's video, I'm going to show you how to put DTF on a canvas. Yep, I got this canvas from Michael's and I'm going to be putting a DTF photo on this canvas, y'all. Yep. So come on, let's get into it, y'all. Okay, so this is the image I'm going to be using. As you can see, it's printing from my printer. As you can see, the color lays down first, and then the white ink prints on top of it. And then once we're done with this, I'll take the image over to my powdering station, and then I will put powder on the back of this image, and then we will put it on our canvas board, y'all. So this is the image out the printer. If I can pick it up. That is the image, me and my kiddos. So this is the image we're going to be putting on our canvas. Okay, so now we're over at the powdering station. I'm going to be using black powder today. And again, this is the powder is the adhesive that makes the image stick to whatever substrate you're using. And I'm using black powder because I'm going to be using a black canvas today. And so the color will show up better. Black shows up better on dark colors. So that's what I'm doing. I'm making sure that I got the entire image covered with the black powder. And then I'm going to put it in my oven. So right now I'm going to let this image cure in my oven for about 2 minutes. Okay, our 2 minutes is up and now our image is cured. And this is how it looks on the back, like an orange peel look. So now let's go over to our heat press, y'all. Okay, so we're over at the heat press right now. The heat press is set to 280 degrees, although it's saying 281 right now. But normally I set it at 280 degrees. And here is the canvas board right here. And so first I'm going to take this canvas board, and on the back, so I can get even pressure, I'm going to put this green foam that I got from Joann's. It's just green foam, and it's going to help me get even pressure so the entire image is presses evenly onto the canvas. So I'm just going to put that into these grooves. You can see. All right. Turn it over. And I'm going to pre-press this canvas for about maybe 5 to 10 seconds. Just to get any kind of moisture out that's in it. There we go. I'm going to do this for 10 seconds, just a pre-press. Like I said, that's just to get all the moisture out that's in it. We may have to press it twice because it's bigger than the heat press. I'm going to flip it and press the other side. This side was bigger than the heat press, longer than the heat press rather. Press this one for about 10 seconds. Keep forgetting to turn my timer on. Once that's done, we'll go ahead and put our image onto the canvas and press it for about 10 seconds. Alright. This is just parchment paper, y'all. Alright, this is again our image, my beautiful kids, my son and my daughter and myself. Okay. Make sure I center that and see if it looks even to me. Let me turn it around and make sure. It's hard to tell, but I think that looks even to me. If it's not, it's mine, so hey, I'm good with that. Slide it up a little bit more. I'm gonna press it for 10 seconds, y'all. Take that back. I'm gonna turn it back around the other way, the long way. Turn it the long way. Put my parchment paper back on like that. And let's give it a 10-second press, y'all. Press it for about 10 seconds. And then we're going to flip it around to the other side. Alright, we got that side. Now let's flip it around to the other side to make sure we get that side. Cover it back up with parchment paper. And now we'll go for another 10 seconds. Alright, that's 10 seconds on that side. Remove the parchment paper. And now we're going to let this cool for about a minute or so, maybe 2 minutes. And we'll peel it off once it has cooled for about 2 minutes, y'all. Okay, so our image has cooled for about 2 minutes. Now let's pull it off and see what we got, y'all. Let's pull it off. Look at that. Okay, so this is what we have. DTF on the canvas board. So if you watch my other videos, you already know that once the image has cooled and I take the film off, I like to press it again for about another 10 seconds just to make sure that the image is properly adhered to the whatever I'm pressing. So let's do that for another 10 seconds. Alright. Kind of crooked, but hey, we're gonna be good. Alright, 10 seconds. And let's turn it around and get this side for 10 seconds because it's longer than the heat press. Once that's done, we'll show you the image again. Alright, that should do it. Here you go. DTF on canvas. DTF on the canvas board. Alright. Okay, I know. As always, you ain't ready to leave my house. But guess what? You ain't gotta go home though, but you're gonna have to follow me over to my next video. Please like and subscribe. Until then, bye y'all.